Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The successful believers, Sayyid Ahmad Pilarak, martyred in the holy defense, the martyr who possesses a fragranced grave. Among the 30,000 martyrs buried in the pure cemetery of Behesht Zahra, Block 26 in Tehran, the grave of this pure Shaheed is distinct. The fragrance of musk is felt and smelt from his grave. Visitors to this noble grave are not few. A simple, ordinary soldier working behind the battlefronts, cleaning the restrooms, as a result of which he always smelt bad. Killed by a missile attack while cleaning the toilets and buried in the debris. A number of believers were martyred and injured. The rescuers at the scene were amazed to smell a strong rose fragrance come from a spot. The debris was removed and they find the body of a Shaheed drowned in rose fragrance. Even today, after years of his burial, a few meters from his grave, this fragrance is yet felt. In addition, the gravestone of this noble martyr is always damp. If it's wiped and dried, it dampens from the other side immediately. Like the soldiers of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the advent of Islam, named as Ghasilul Malaika, someone who has been washed by the angels, Hanzala is among the young soldiers of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, known as Hanzala Ghasilul Malaika, that is, someone who's been washed by the angels. A night before the battle of Uhud, he got married. In the morning, the army of Islam set off to the battle. He feared he would be left behind if he performed his ghusl. Sets off without washing himself, and in that battle he got martyred. The angels, by the command of the Almighty Allah, washed him with the waters of the paradise. His body possessed a beautiful fragrance. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam revealed this when he came to say the prayers on the body of Hanzala. Shaheed Ahmad Pilarak had a similar fate. This esteemed martyr is also known as Shaheed Itri, the fragranced martyr. Indeed, this is a miracle. No doubt, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. Indeed, successful are the believers. وَسُبْحَانَ رَبِّكَ رَبِّ الْعِزَّةِ عَمَّا يَصِفُونَ وَسَلَامٌ عَلَى الْمُرْسَلِينَ وَالْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ